From coast to coast, Americans rely on their vehicles. Whether it's the family car, that boat for weekend getaways, or essential equipment for work, we understand their value, both emotional and financial. Hey there, fellow road trippers and vehicle enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Compare the Carrier channel. We're the hub that connects dreams with driveways, ensuring your cherished possessions reach you, wherever you are in this great nation. Today, we're about to simplify a step that's vital yet often overlooked: the documents you'll need for a smooth auto transport journey. So, buckle up and let's get rolling. Picture this: you've done your research, chosen a top-rated carrier, and now, the day's finally here, your vehicle's arrival day. But amidst the excitement, one crucial thing can make or break your experience: your documentation. So, why are these papers so pivotal? Legal obligations. Firstly, the law mandates it. From state to state, regulations can differ, but having the right documents ensures you're always on the right side of the law. Protection against damages. Next, consider them as your vehicle's armor. Documents, especially the bill of lading, are proof of your vehicle's condition before and after transport. If any dings or scratches appear during transit, your documents ensure you're covered, ensuring smooth transit and delivery. Lastly, think of documents as the golden key, the one that unlocks a hassle-free transport journey. With the right papers, your vehicle sails smoothly from pickup to drop-off, without any hitches. It's simple. Proper documentation means peace of mind. And here at Compare the Carrier, we're all about ensuring your transport experience is as smooth as the open road. Alright, you're convinced that having the right paperwork is vital. But which documents exactly do you need? Let's break it down. Bill of lading, BOL. The bill of lading, often referred to as BOL, is your go-to document. It details the condition of your vehicle at both pickup and delivery points. In essence, it's a record of the entire transit journey, ensuring any pre-existing or new damages are duly noted. Photo documentation. Photos can speak 1,000 words, especially when it comes to your vehicle's condition. Before shipping, take clear, comprehensive shots from multiple angles. This provides visual evidence that complements your BOL. Proof of ownership. Your vehicle's title or registration acts as its birth certificate, confirming it's legitimately yours. Carriers may ask for it to ensure they're handling authentic transactions. Insurance proof. Protection first. Always have proof of both your vehicle's insurance and the carrier's insurance. It's a twofold safety net, ensuring that whatever happens, your asset is covered. Personal identification. This one's straightforward. Your driver's license or a government-issued ID ensures carriers know they're dealing with the rightful owner or authorized individual. Carrier agreement, contract. Before the rubber meets the road, you and your carrier enter into a binding agreement. This contract spells out the terms, obligations, and commitments. Always read, understand, and keep a copy. Special documents for certain vehicles. Got something unique to transport? Boats, oversized RVs, or heavy machinery might need additional documents, like watercraft registrations or special operating permits. Having the right paperwork isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about ensuring a seamless, secure journey for your cherished vehicle. With these documents in hand, you're not just road ready, you're road smart. Having the right documents is half the battle, but ensuring they're organized and accessible? That's where mastery comes in. Let's dive into some pro tips to make your auto transport experience even smoother. Digital versus physical copies. In today's digital age, having backup digital copies is a lifesaver. Scan your essential documents and save them on your phone or a cloud storage service. But remember, many carriers still require the original physical copies, so keep them handy. Checklists. There's something satisfying about ticking off items on a checklist, right? Before your transport date, create a checklist of all necessary documents. Communication with the carrier. Assumptions can lead to hiccups. Always keep the communication lines open with your carrier. Confirm which documents they require and any additional prerequisites specific to their service. Early preparation. Don't leave things to the last minute. Begin gathering and organizing your documents well in advance. This way, if you discover any discrepancies or missing papers, you have ample time to address them. privacy matters. Always be vigilant about your personal information. Share only what's necessary and always inquire about the privacy measures your carrier has in place. When discarding old or redundant paperwork, ensure it's disposed of securely. Documents, checklists, preparation. They're not just tasks. They're the building blocks of peace of mind. With these best practices under your belt, you're not only prepared for the journey but also poised to enjoy it, knowing you've got everything covered. From the bustling streets of New York to the tranquil shores of California, our nation's expanse is matched only by our passion for our vehicles. They're more than just metal and rubber. They're memories, dreams, and the tools that drive our ambitions. Here at Compare the Carrier, we recognize the trust you place in us and the carriers we connect you with. Ensuring that your beloved vehicles reach their destinations safely is our priority, and having the right documentation is a significant step in that journey. With the insights and best practices we've shared today, we hope to set you on a path of ease, assurance, and confidence in your auto transport ventures. Remember, being road smart is all about preparation, and we're here to guide you every mile of the way. Thank you for journeying with us today. For more insights, advice, and to kickstart your transport journey, head over to Compare the Carrier's website. Drive safe, stay informed, and we'll see you on the open road. Compare the Carrier, compare to save.